Here's how you can create your sales funnel inside system.io. First, hover over the Sites tab and you will see 4 options here, but you have to click on the sales funnels. Here you can see I have already 2 funnels created. To create a new funnel, just click the Create button. Now give your funnel name, select your domain. By the way, if you don't connect your custom domain with system.io, then it will automatically select your system.io subdomain. Now choose your funnel goal. Click Build an Audience, which is great for growing your email list with a simple opt-in page and a thank you page. Click Sell, perfect for creating a sales funnel with a pre-built order form and a thank you page. Click Custom, start from scratch and design it on your own way. Or click Run an Webinar, a 3-step funnel made specifically for automated webinars. These options is only available with the system.io webinar or unlimited plans. Now select your currency and click Save. Now open the funnel and select a template for the opt-in page and also select a template for the thank you page. That's it. This is how easy it is to create a funnel with system.io.